Samsung's Galaxy S26 series is creating serious buzz, and we are still months away from launch. With insane leaks about new chips, AI upgrades, and a redesigned camera island, there's a lot to unpack. So let's dive into all the major rumors about the Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, and the Beast, S26 Ultra. The lineup stays familiar: S26, S26 Plus, and S26 Ultra. Samsung reportedly killed any plans for an Edge variant. The launch is expected around February 2026, keeping Samsung's classic Galaxy unpacked timeline. Now, performance. This is where the biggest debate is happening. Rumors point to two chipsets: Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy, and Samsung's own Exynos 2600. Some insiders claim Samsung might use Exynos even in Ultra models in Europe, which would be a first in years. Expect better AI processing, new 3nm efficiency, and up to 20% GPU performance gains over the S25. The display is rumored to jump again, a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED on the S26 Ultra with Samsung's new M14 panel, up to 3000 nits peak brightness, and possibly a Flex Magic Pixel privacy mode that darkens angles for better security. The S26 Ultra might finally ditch the flat slab feel. Expect slightly more rounded corners and a thinner build, the biggest visual shift. Samsung could move away from the floating camera lenses to a pill-shaped raised camera island, giving the phone a bolder, unified look. Camera fans, here's what's cooking. The Ultra is expected to stick with a 200-megapixel main sensor, but use a new Sony 1x1.1-inch sensor for better low-light detail. Zoom lenses may get new glass coating for sharper results. AI photo optimization and video night mode are both expected to see huge boosts, powered by Galaxy AI 2.0. Battery life might finally get a real upgrade. The S26 Ultra is rumored to keep a 5000 mAh cell, but jump to 60-watt fast charging. That's up from 45-watt. The base S26 reportedly moves to 4300 mAh, giving longer screen-on time. Wireless charging remains at 15-watt, but Samsung could optimize thermals for faster top-ups. The S26 line up will launch with Android 16 and One UI 8 or 8.5. Expect smarter Galaxy AI features, live translation during calls, context-based note summaries, and maybe real-time camera object removal. Samsung's betting big on on-device AI this time. A few sources hint that Samsung's testing an under-display selfie camera for the S26 Ultra, but results are not perfect yet. It might stay in prototype stage, so don't get to hype just yet. Other minor leaks include a new titanium frame on all models, improved Wi-Fi 7 Plus connectivity, and a cooler vapor chamber design for better thermal control during gaming. Pricing is still unknown, but early whispers say the S26 series might go $50 to $100 higher than the S25 line, due to AI and material upgrades. Expect Ultra around $1,299 starting. So that's everything we know, or think we know, about the Galaxy S26 series. More power, better AI, refined design, and maybe a camera island comeback. Which rumor do you think will actually be true? Drop your thoughts below, hit that like button, and subscribe Fix Nexus for more leak roundups. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.